Student, we are going to start History and Geographic Summer Talks of Class 8. Let's see the first point. Do prior reading of History chapter number first and Geographic chapter number first. Student, इसमें आपने हिस्ट्री की चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट की एंड जियोग्राफिक चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट की रीडिंग करनी है. कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. राइट 15 MCQ फ्रॉम ईच चैप्टर. जब आप इन दोनों चैप्टर की रीडिंग कर लेंगे तो इनमें से 15 MCQs राइट करने हैं. कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. मेक अ टाइमलाइन ऑफ द पाकिस्तान मूवमेंट. आपने पाकिस्तान मूवमेंट के बारे में राइट करना है. आई आल्सो गाइड अबाउट द पाकिस्तान मूवमेंट. द पाकिस्तान मूवमेंट आल्सो कॉल्ड तहरीक पाकिस्तान was a political movement which was active during the first half of the 20th century. At that time, British India belonged to Great Britannia. In British India, most people were Hindu and Muslim. The people who made the movement feared they would lose their liberty when English left. They therefore wanted to create a separate state. The movement was led by Quaid-e-Azam and other important leaders. Student, I also guide about the Pakistan movement. You get more information from your book, parents and internet. Now come to the next point. Write in your word about pollution, air, land and water, floods, cyclone and forest fire, their causes and effect. इसमें आपने क्या करना है, पोल्यूशन के बारे में राइट करना है. एयर पोल्यूशन, लैंड पोल्यूशन एंड वाटर पोल्यूशन और फ्लड, साइक्लोन एंड फॉरेस्ट फायर, इनकी वजूहात और इनके असरात क्या होते हैं, इनके बारे में एक्सप्लेन करना है. आई आल्सो एक्सप्लेन दिस टॉपिक. स्टूडेंट, I firstly explain what is pollution. The presence in or introduction into the environment of a substance which has harmful and poisonous effect. Pollution can take the form of chemical substance or energy such as noise, heat and light. There are three types of pollution: air pollution, land pollution and water pollution. What is air pollution? An air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. The natural and human interventions are considered responsible for increasing the level of harmful gases, dust, and cause of air pollution. Volcanism, unplanned factories, deforestation, transportation considered the main cause of air pollution. The human beings is facing different problems as a result of air pollution. Acid rain, the depletion of ozone layer are causing minor health issues to major health problem these days. Now come to the land pollution. The undesired physical and chemical change in the composition and structure of land component that negatively impact the organic life on the surface of the earth is referred to as a land pollution. Causes of land pollution according to environmentalists, the major reason for land pollution include untreated domestic, industrial, commercial and hospital waste disposal, the careless use of chemical fertilizer and careless constructional activity. The natural reasons such as volcano, earthquake, soil erosion also contribute toward land pollution. Impact and causes of land pollution. The impact of soil, land and land pollution are more visible in high density urban area as compared to low density urban and rural areas or undeveloped regions. The widespread impact of land pollution are visible in the form of growing health problems. For example, lungs, skin, different type of cancer are directly or indirectly contribute to land pollution. So land pollution not only contribute to water pollution but also lead to increased spread and scale of air pollution. Now come to the next type of pollution, water pollution. Water pollution mean आबी आलूदगी. Water pollution, the unwanted change in physical or chemical composition of water, is referred to as water pollution. This causes damage to human life as well as adversely affect the plant and animal life. In these days, our water resources are rapidly being polluted due to causes of human activity. ह्यूमन जो एक्टिविटीज़ हैं वो मेन रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं किसके लिए? वाटर पोल्यूशन के लिए. कॉजेज ऑफ वाटर पोल्यूशन, द यूज़ ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइज़र, unsafe and insufficient agriculture practice, flood, acid rain, open dumping and disposal of solid waste in coastal area. Traffic, hospital waste and industrialization in present times are known as source of water pollution. Impact of water pollution. Water pollution not only affect human life but it create negative impact ऑन आल फॉर्म ऑफ लाइफ. आबी आलूदगी न सिर्फ इंसानी ज़िंदगी को मुतासर करती है बल्कि इसके नेगेटिव असरात, मनफी असरात तमाम किस्म की ज़िंदगी पर असरअंदाज होती है. दिस रिड्यूस बायोलॉजिकल डिवर्सिटी ऑन द प्लांट अर्थ. वाटर पोल्यूशन कॉज बोर्न डिसीजेज आर ट्रांसमिटेड थ्रू प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल टू ह्यूमन बॉडीज ड्यू टू द प्रोसेस ऑफ बायो. Student, I explain the types of pollutions. Now you get more information from your book, internet and your parents. Now come to the other types: flood, cyclone, forest and their causes and effect. Flood. What is flood? An overflow of river water out of its channel which may cause damage to the nearby settlements is called flood. It's considered a natural disaster because it may be a cause of social and environmental degradation. It can damage any construction framework, uncemented housing and building without deep foundations. Cyclone. Cyclone is a system of swirling winds which has a low pressure area in the center. The wind tend to circulate toward the center and produce rain with thunder and lightning. Forest fire. The term forest fire is used for such uncontrollable fire which burn forest and other type of vegetation and cause damage the associated wildlife. फॉरेस्ट क्या है? फॉरेस्ट फायर क्या है? जंगलात में लग जाने वाली आग जो अनकंट्रोलेबल होती है, जिसको जल्दी से कंट्रोल नहीं किया जा सकता, जो जंगलात को भी जला देती है, उसकी अदर वेजिटेशन को भी और वाइल्ड लाइफ को भी डैमेज कर देती है. देयर आर वेरियस कॉजेज ऑफ फॉरेस्ट फायर विच कैन बी आइदर नेचुरल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइटनिंग एसोसिएट विद थंडर स्टॉर्म और ह्यूमन एक्सीडेंट, नेग्लिजेंस एंड क्रिमिनल एक्ट etc. Forest fire badly affect the ecological system of the forest. It may result in loss of life and property in the nearby settlements. It destroy agriculture product, for example wood, fruits and crops. Student, मैंने आपको ये डिस्कस कर दिए पॉइंट शॉर्टली. You can get more information from your book, parents and internet. Now come to the next point. Read Pakistan the formative page by Khalid bin Said. आपको ये लिंक दिया गया है, आपने इस लिंक से ओपन करना है और इसको रीड आउट करना है, इसके बारे में आपने इंफॉर्मेशन हासिल करनी है. थैंक यू. आई कंप्लीट माई टॉपिक अबाउट हिस्ट्री एंड जियोग्राफी.